Hi, Bart Thiesman here at Phillips Chevrolet. I'm here with my cousin Jared, who just purchased a brand new 2016 Chevy Tahoe LTZ, top line, fully loaded. Let me ask you, how was your experience?
It was pretty good, I have to say. It was top notch, probably the best dealership experience I've ever had. Everyone was very friendly, quick, and it's been fantastic.
Fantastic. So let me ask, I know you said family to me because we're family.
Obviously.
What about all your friends?
I tell them about it. I have a friend named Gail and Peter who are in the market for cars. You should come to Phillips.
That's right, come to Phillips, come see Bart Thiesman. 17730 South Torrance Avenue in Lansing, Illinois. I'll make you feel like my family as well.